Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by collecting the essentials you already need: Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Rank Tracker, and backlink exports for the last 30 days. You must define the audience, executive, developer, or marketer, and pick 3-5 KPIs aligned with that audience so the report stays focused. Once done, export raw CSVs and normalize date ranges, remove bot traffic, and add timestamps. Doing this first saves hours later and ensures your metrics are comparable and actionable from the very first chart. Now you analyze and transform the clean data into insights. Start by mapping landing pages to content goals, deduping rows, and attributing traffic by channel so numbers make sense. Then build visuals, traffic trends, top queries, CTR versus position, and position distribution charts to show movement. Make annotations for any A/B tests, site changes, or algorithm updates so stakeholders understand causes. As you build, prioritize clarity. Label axes, use consistent colors, and add short captions that state the takeaway. Finish by writing a one-page executive summary with 3 headline insights, the business impact, and 2-3 next actions so recipients can act immediately. Export a PDF and share dashboard links. Schedule a short follow-up meeting to answer questions and assign owners. Make sure to archive raw data and version your report. If numbers look wrong, troubleshoot by checking filters, mismatched date ranges, and analytics sampling. Rerun exports and compare raw CSVs. This usually reveals the issue, so you can correct and resend quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.